In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum 5 class. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we discuss about subject English, Unit 14. Its topic is Together We Live. Dear student, first of all we discuss about learning outcomes of Unit 14, Part 3. Illustrate the use of simple future tense. Response to and ask simple questions starting with be, do, and have. Write the central idea of a given poem in simple language. List rhyming words and write a poem based on the same central idea. Act 3. Grammar. Simple future tense. The simple future tense expresses an action which has not occurred yet and will occur in the future. सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस वो टेंस होते हैं जिनमें कोई भी काम जो है वो अभी परफॉर्म नहीं हुआ मगर हम उसे फ्यूचर यानी मुस्तकबिल में परफॉर्म करेंगे. सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. रीड द स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ द सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस विद सेंटेंसेस. एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. This is the structure to make affirmative sentences. Subject and then use helping verb will, shall, and then use base form of verb, and in the last we use object and full stop. He will complete his homework. In this sentence, he is a subject, will is a helping verb, complete is a base form of verb, and homework is a object. Sana will take care of her cat. I shall go to the park. Negative sentences. This is the structure to make negative sentences. First of all, we use subject, then we use will or shall और साथ में not यानी will not and shall not. Then we use base form of verb and last we use object. He will not complete his homework. In this sentence, he is a subject. Then we use helping verb will not and then use base form of verb. Complete is a base form of verb and homework is a object. Interrogative sentences. This is the structure to make interrogative sentences. In the interrogative sentences, we use the helping verb will and shall at the starting of the sentence. Then we use subject and then base form of verb and then object. Will he complete his homework? In the last of interrogative sentences, we always use question mark. Will Sana take care of her cat? Shall I go to the park? Act 2. Write 5 sentences of your own in the simple future tense in your notebook. Students, study your page and make sentences simple future tense by using affirmative, negative, interrogative structure. Affirmative sentences. We will go to Islamabad. My friends will help me. Negative sentences. The dog will not bark at the strangers. I will not go to the Karachi. Interrogative sentences. Will you buy new copy? Will she eat fruits? Read the given questions with different forms of be, do, and have. Different forms of be, do, and have are also used at the start of sentences to ask question. बी फॉर्म्स में इंक्लूड होता है जैसे एम, इज़, आर, वॉज, वर और डू फॉर्म में डू, डज, डिड और हैव फॉर्म में हैज़, हैव और हैड. इन तमाम बी, डू और हैव फॉर्म्स को हम किसी भी सेंटेंस के स्टार्ट में यूज़ करते हुए क्वेश्चन मेक करते हैं. बी फॉर्म. एम आई क्लीनिंग माई रूम? इज़ दिस कैट हंग्री? Are the kittens fighting? Was the sleeping in her room? Were the children making a noise? In these forms, am, is, are, was, were. These are the be forms. Do. Does Hina help you? Do they come late at night? Did it rain yesterday? In these sentences, does, do, did. These are the do forms. Have, has he completed his work? Have they reached there? Had we locked the door? In these sentences, has, have, had are have forms. Write 2 questions using be, do and have each in your notebook. Student आपने be, do और have forms को use करते हुए 2 questions make करने हैं. Dear students, study your page and make sentences by using be, do, have forms. Be, am I cleaning my room? Is she working hard? Do, does he help you? Did you write a story? Have, has she got a present? Had he cooked food? Dear student, the next activity is Act D, writing, learning to write. Read the given poem and write its central idea in your notebook. Dear student, first of all, we read this poem in rhyming style and then we write the central idea of this poem. Elephants walking along the trails or holding hands by holding tails. Trunks and tails are handy things when elephants walk in circus rings. Elephants work and elephants play and elephants walk and feel so gay. And when they walk, it never fails. They are holding hands by holding tails. Dear student, recite this poem at least 3 times and after then we write the central idea of this poem. Dear students, study your page and write the central idea. Working together is the central idea of the poem. Elephants are very disciplined animals. They walk and perform in circus. They do different activities to entertain people. They work with fun. They live in unity and work together. Act II. Write 3 pairs of rhyming words about rainbows and write a poem in your notebook. स्टूडेंट्स, हमने सबसे पहले रेनबो से रिलेटेड 3 पेयर्स ऑफ राइमिंग वर्ड्स राइट किए. फिर इन वर्ड्स को हम अपनी पोएम में यूज़ करेंगे, जैसे स्काई हाई, ब्राइट लाइट, 7 हेवन. आफ्टर दिस वी यूज़ दिस राइमिंग वर्ड्स इन योर पोएम. स्टूडेंट, दिस इज़ द पोएम. इट्स टॉपिक इज़ रेनबो and we use the rhyming words to make this poem. Look out the sky, it is so high. Rainbow is so bright, it looks giving many lights. Colors in rainbow are 7, they came from heaven. Dear students, this is your home task, creative writing. Write a paragraph on how should we take care of our pet animal. Share your views. स्टूडेंट, आपने अपने व्यूज़ यहाँ पे शेयर करने हैं कि अगर आपके पास कोई पेट एनिमल होता तो आप उसकी किस तरह केयर करते. जैसे कि मैंने राइट किया है, वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ़ आवर एनिमल्स बाय प्रोवाइडिंग दैम गुड फूड एंड क्लीन वाटर. वी शुड प्रोवाइड दैम थिंग्स अकॉर्डिंग टू सीजन्स. वी शुड मूव दैम एट safe place. We should love and care them. Dear student, you should also share your views by yourself on the topic of how should we take care of our pet animal. Dear students, the discussion of Unit 14 Part 3 completed. Dear student, after completing this unit, I hope you will be able to recite poems with actions, relate their feelings and experiences to what is read, appropriate pattern of rhythm, stress and intonation, use polite expressions to seek attention, practice and use an appropriate tone and non-verbal cues for different communicative functions, apply strategies to comprehend questions, create a short poem using rhyming words, analyze and use some analogies and more similes, illustrate the use of simple future tense, response to and ask simple questions starting with be, do and have, Write the central idea of a given poem in simple language. List rhyming words and write a poem based on the same central idea. Dear student, read this poem in rhyming style and do the written practice of dictation words, and also revise the all activities and also learn the all activities and do the written practice of some important activities and do the written practice of some important activities. Learn the question answer and do the written practice of question answer. Take care and Allah Hafiz.